Hey, it's Steve Knotts. When you are making original electronic music, you gotta be good at EQing, but it doesn't just happen automatically. So if you're at the beginning of your EQ journey, start here and learn the basic EQ and filter types. Did you know there are only 7 different kinds of EQs that you need for your whole entire career making electronic music? And once you learn what they are, you'll be able to use them anywhere in Ableton Live, or another DAW, or in a VST plugin, or in analog hardware when you encounter these tools. The tools are the same, and you can learn them here. And the really cool thing is I built a guided Ableton tutorial where you learn by doing activities inside Live. That means you're not watching video, you're actually playing with the different EQ and filter types inside Ableton Live, where we use them on music so you can hear what they do. This will help you understand how to use EQ and filter so you can make your mixes come out with heavy low end, buttery smooth mid-range, and the crisp highs that sound like a professional track. Come on in, I'll show you how this hands-on guided session lesson tutorial works. It's really cool, check it out. Welcome to EQ and filter types. In this lesson, you're going to learn the basic tools we use for working with the frequency range of our music. Okay, let's get started with the low shelf EQ. Click on track 1 and do Shift Tab so you see EQ8, and then double click on the little spectrum window so you can see all the EQs. Now, band 1 is activated, it's set to 80 Hertz. Here is the frequency setting. Listen to what happens as I boost the shelf. We get a lot more low end. Your turn. In the next activity, use band 1 on the EQ8 to boost and cut the low shelf EQ. Okay, so that finishes the list of basic EQ and filter types that we're going to be using in this course. Let's review so this is fresh in your mind. Again, cut before you boost. Finally, thank you for coming with me on this hands-on session lesson tutorial. Isn't that cool? You actually learn by doing activities inside Live the fun way, where you can play with the sounds and hear what happens. It's the best way to learn because you're doing it by hand. So if this is the beginning of your EQ journey and you need to learn the EQ and filter types, start with this lesson. It's number 1 in the series. What's going to happen is you basically buy the lesson, download a Live pack, you double click, and Ableton does the rest. Could not be more simple. I set it up to make it really easy for you. And if you have any questions, you can always email me, steve@mixitecture.com, to find out if this is right for you, or ask any other questions you have about Ableton production with sound design, song structure, and mixing, so you can get the creative ideas out of your head and into the speakers and share them with the world. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in session view.